we can get this minute and a half. If we can get this to pull back just a little bit, be nice. Be a nicer entry. We get to pull back to the red line, be nice. Like right here. Be a nice entry. Yeah, after like 11 today, I'm over. I'm not messing with the after the market today, but I'm definitely not messing with the market. 9:30, 10 o'clock. Yeah, I gotta be out of there. Trap day's no joke. A few dollars on the Rams, yeah. They won though. They pulled through. They pulled through, man. I was like, yes, that's what I'm talking about. That's how you make a game. I got 20 seconds. Yeah, that was a good game. Mary J did her thing. All right, we got 4 seconds, guys. All right, let's see what to do. See, they give us pullback. There we go. Come on a little bit. All right, guys, I'm gonna buy gold. I'm buying gold. I'm buying gold. All right, we got 30 minutes to be in profit. 30 minutes to be in profit. Let's see what it do. We're gonna play with the trend. It has a power 50 right now. We're gonna play with this trend until we see it. I don't see a power 50 yet, so we ain't gonna play it. Well, the power 50's already happened, but we don't see it. I don't see the BTS, so we're not playing it. So we're gonna play with this trend until we see it. Because I will not be counter trend trading this thing. Not right now. Not on Monday. The new high today is 5 a day. Oh, new forex days back here. So 1860 A range high. So we got a little while. We want to get up to that high. We want to get to the A range high. 1860. Which is our first TP. All right, we got 15. The 15 brewing. We got 1 minute on the 15, so you can hit this thing twice. We got about a minute and a half on this. We got 10 minutes. You got 30 minutes being profit, and then we get the 15-minute. Let it brew. You got a minute and a half. Let it kick, and if you want to hit it again, you're gonna do it again. got 1 minute on this. This is actually real strong right here too. This is real strong. This one should push pretty good. Yeah, that one should push pretty good. This should reach up here. Try to get all this before New York. Try to get all this for New York. I got about 30 seconds left on this. I'm gonna tap it again. All right, looks like everybody's gonna be in sync except for the 1 hour. So everybody's gonna be in sync except for 1 hour, which is fine, makes sense. 15 minutes, 30 minutes. We'll go 10 and 15. So have a 45-minute trade and a 30-minute trade. See what we got. We got about 4 seconds left. All right, if you want to hit it again, you can hit it again. You wait for it to pull back to the same entry. What is that entry now? So you want to hit this thing again, go for it. If it pulls back to the red line, be a better entry. But this can shoot, so you just shoot up. I'm trying to get the best possible on this one. If I'm gonna stack it, try to get the best possible on the stack. You should use the same lot size on your pairs, especially on trap day. All right, I think I'm good. All right, I did a little stack. See my position there. I got actually better position on my stack than I did on my my first one, which is usually how it goes. All right, this TP just a little beyond it. Same TP, 1864. Same TPs. Stop loss is gonna be a little different. On gold, we're gonna have a well, it should be 1 and 2. We're gonna make it 1 and 2, but we're just gonna scalp it. Keep the same stop loss. We're gonna scalp this thing. We're just going scalper do. Let's see what we got. All right. Here's your stack numbers right here. We got 45 minutes on that trade. Usually on trap day, guys, I stick to like 1 or 2 pairs. I consistently hit the same pair over and over and over. And I just let it ride for a minute. Make my money, and I'm out the market on trap day. If I get smacked, I know what happens. I know the deal. I know it's trap day. I know I can get spanked. All right, gold looks fine. First TP is 1860. Second is 1864. So all right, let gold do its thing. We'll put it up on the other screen. Let's look at GJ. Oh, GJ dripping. AJ probably dripping. You know this thing can come down here, which it did. What you gonna do, Mr. Market Maker? What you gonna do? Dollar. Consolidation. On major pairs doing the same thing. See where GJ can go. Low of the day. We got low today on GJ. We got high today on GJ. Good move there. I took that move last night when we watched the Super Bowl. That's what I took right there. Took that thing. Boom, didn't break. I said, give me that. Boom. Took all that. That's just something you can't even let go. Man, what you doing? You see this, man? You see this lineup? Like, pin you to, man. You're like, come on, man. Why you set up for the kill? Everybody thought this was buying. This thing ain't buying. Once it pinned him to the aqua up here, I said, this thing ain't buying. Came up here, through this. I said, up. Higher time for encounter trend. There it goes. Took off. Powerful, powerful EMAs. Powerful. Let's see if they take out this low. If they don't take this low out, they're going to take off with gold. Let's see what they do. They might take off with gold to the upside. We got 17 minutes on our first trade. 17 minutes on our first trade. Sometimes you gotta watch paint dry. Just let it happen. We'll come back to GJ. Come back to it. We want to see if they don't take out this low. If they don't, they'll come back up. We'll take it for the counter trend. We'll go with it. We're just gonna get what the market makers give us. Whatever they give us, we'll just take it. That's all it is. They broke that low. They took off. That was like opening. That was like opening yesterday. Yeah, as I say, opening. It's not bad. Okay, let's see what they do. They already vector down. Boom. Our vector's already down there. Come back for the counter trend. New York counter trend. They're gonna develop it down here somewhere. They're gonna do this to them. They're gonna come down here. Boom. little consolidation up here, come down. New York session or in the London session, take off, fill this gap up here. Usually what they do, usually what GJ does. They'll take some contracts with them. If they drop, they just drop. So that's what we're gonna wait. They take that out, we'll just wait. Find the new low. They take out this low, find that new low, mark it. If they don't take it out and you start seeing what's developing, counter trend back into the EMAs with your shift. Take off with it. Don't trade against it just because you see it selling. You see it selling down here. All right, and take out this low. Who cares? Mark the next low. Wait for it to take out that low. If it doesn't take that low out, you already know what to do. Go with it. Go with it. Go with it. Same thing on GU. They'll take out this low. Mark it up. There's that low. Bam. I'm gonna show y'all a trick in like 2 weeks though. Y'all keep on marking homework up because in 2 weeks I'm gonna show y'all a pretty good trick. How to really hit these vectors. Because you're gonna want to play these in March. You're gonna want to master the vector because when March comes and you wake up this morning, like you don't need me, and you just go ahead and you wake up, you're gonna want to know how to play the vectors. You're gonna know when they move. Because the move is so fast, you're gonna want that, trust me. So keep on doing the homework, keep on doing it. Oh yeah, they solidified this. Yeah, they're gonna take off. Yeah, GU and GJ, they solidified that. Boom. That thing is solidified. I think wanna go. GJ. Yeah, same deal. They take this out, it's gonna wait. All right, gold. Looks good. Let it keep going. It's right because you see the move. When you see the move, it's exciting. Like, oh man, there goes the money. In March, I'm telling you, in March, they throw coming March next month. You're gonna see these things everywhere. It's gonna be so obvious. It's gonna be like marking up homework. You'll be like, yo, that's the move. Why they doing that? Why they doing that? Why they just give me the easy money? That's exactly what they're gonna do. It's gonna be so easy. You're like, wow, this is ridiculous. Everybody gonna wake up, try to get their money. You're gonna be done. Going about your day. Get your 50 pips and be out of there. If you want to hold it, hey, go for it. If you want your 50 pips, teach you how to get 50 pips and get up out of there. All you need 50 pips. Get your 5%, you'll be out. Yep. All right, looking good on gold. Let's at least hit TP1. That's the high of the day. We'll wait on these. This is gonna watch paint dry. We'll look at gold while we're waiting this. If you want to take your money, you can, but it's what it did already. So we're looking good on this. Came down, gold did a little vector, 2 o'clock in the morning. Came down here, pinned them here to the white. Sorry, yeah, pinned down here. Good aqua hit. Good aqua hit. Yeah. Pinned them pretty good. They put them here to the aqua. It was a plus. They trapped them down there. They can come down there, but our stop loss is here. So if they come down here, they're just gonna drop with the BTS. They'll create BTS down here. They'll just drop to the correction. But right now it looks like going back to the high of the day to create that, to hit this high up here, this structure up here. So to surprise at 1865. So retest that, which is with the trend. What everybody want to do, they want to counter trend trade. So when I had the sell limit up here, which is up here, all right, and then your TP is like way up here, just give you some room for drawdown. 1861 is the high of the day. So if it hits that, it has a chance to just drop. That's what we're doing TP1. But if it surpasses it, it'll hit TP2, and then it'll start correcting. And our stop loss is like 68, which is up here. If it hits 68, this thing's gone. Things going back to 1900s. But sometimes you gotta give yourself some room. That's why you don't have to play those giant lot sizes. Like, give yourself some room, set it, forget it, let it scare people. What they do is this wick, people be like, oh, the Bulls and the Bears were fighting. No, the market makers won. What happened is this was priced up here. This was once a filled candle, and they lost. Bulls and Bears lost together. Market makers say, well, you know what? Everybody wants to buy. That's fine. Let them buy. Stick them up here. Stick them up there. Bam. Guess what happened? Drop. Took some money. Now they're gonna collect some more contracts. People think gold is selling. Well, we pin them here, pin them all the way down here, which is a good level. And now they're gonna continue to rise. Come back up here and try to collect some more contracts before New York session. And then they'll hit it. They'll probably supersede this on New York session. And they'll come here to scare our stop loss on 1868. They'll scare it, tippy toe to it, and then drop right back to this level. Come back to the level. So if they pin the traders up here, they'll do this. They'll pin the traders, come up here, maybe like 1867. They pin them up here. And then if you see them pin, you can counter trend it because it'll hit the TDI. And it'll come down, hit that TDI, super extreme. And then your first TP is the aqua. Second TP is gonna be the white because it's already in the power 50. Already in power 50. So it's already in power 50 right here on the 4 hour. So it's got a little while. When you catch it, it's gonna be nice. So if you see the counter trend, hey, don't be afraid of it. Smack it. You already know where it's going. Break this high of the day so we can chill. All right, we got one more candle on the 10 minute. 1, 2, 3. We got 8 minutes on this thing. I mean, this could be your only play for the day. And you could be done while everybody trying to get their pips, and you're gonna watch the market and go crazy. You know what I mean? Usually, I'll play this gold and hang out, waiting for GJ to develop. What else y'all looking at today? GU and GJ. Yeah, this thing can. We don't want none of this cross. We want this to solidify. So let's see what they do. All right, we're looking pretty good on this. What else y'all looking at? What else y'all playing? All right, looks like we're setting up pretty good. Let's see how they didn't take it out yet. So it looks good. They didn't take it out yet. 4 candles. The vectors, 1, 2, 3, push. Bam. That's a nice push. These vector candles are nice. Push them down. Bam. Now they're trapping them. Now they're trapping Timmy Johnson and Johnson family. Let's trap them. Trap some more. This could be the second low. Have them drop to here would be good. They can drop to like right here. If they could split this wick, that would be a very nice low. Then we know they won't let them out because then this thing will just shoot. We'll catch an entry. TP1, TP2, TP3. That's how you catch them, y'all. That's how you catch these market makers. Just gotta watch. I actually met a market maker. I actually met one. Worked for UBS. Told me some things before. Oh, that's pretty crazy. Sits behind a desk. Traps traders. Traps the retail traders. Pretty cool what they do. right, gold looks pretty good. Got 5.5 minutes on the first trade before we stay in the trade. Yeah, if they can split this candle, that'd be nice. Oh, that'd be a nice move up, back up. That is a boom. EMA should shift down, so I'll probably take it about right here. 50 pips right there, y'all. 50 pips. This move is probably 100. The whole move to the white. Yeah, it's a 100 pip move. Catch 100 pips on GJ, potentially. Spread times 2 be down here. Yeah, below that low probably. Boom. Nice entry. Nice entry. Just gotta see what they're doing. You gotta be patient. Throw the music on and pretend you're doing homework. I'm gonna check y'all homework though. I didn't forget. I'm gonna check it later today. I've been trying to get y'all to turn it all in at one time. It's easier that way. I have like 600 charts to check. It's a lot easier. Do everything at once. I just turn music on, rock out. See what y'all catching. GU, we'll see what GU's doing. Trying to play these 3 pairs. GU, GJ, gold. Not trying to go crazy on trap day today. We got 3.5 minutes for this candle, and we look pretty good. We should at least hit the A range high, so at least 1860. Play with the trend, Euro cat. What's this drop look like? 55, 60 pips. It's not a bad play. Pen them up here. Actually, not a bad play. See if it's worth it. Let's see. They pin them here to the boom. Not a terrible play. Right there, yep. It's not a bad play though. I don't like Euro cat, but it's not a bad play. I mean, this thing is gonna fall. It's Euro, but this low right here. Past this low is out of there. This thing will drip all the way. Three hours ago. I hear you on that. Yeah, you definitely could be in the zone. How far is this entry? Let's see. 8 pips. Nah, not worth it. Not worth it for that pair. All right, we got a minute and a half for our first trade until we stay on our first trade. We got the best possible entry, so we're like right at that. We're right at the red line. Yeah, I caught myself one time. I was like doing 3 or 4 hours about that time. Yeah, I was like 600-700 charts deep, just back testing something. And then I went and reviewed it. But nobody was home though, so it was just me rocking out. So I was just chilling. Everybody was gone. That's usually how it goes. They're hitting these reversals out the gate. Let's see what our AGB is doing. Hitting these reversals out the gate. They're smacking reversals out the gate. Boom. That's a good trade. USD cat. Gold's the only power 50 I saw. And then you had NAS 100, which was play with the trend. So yeah. Let it fall some more and chill on it. That's all. All right, guys, stay in the trade on your first trade. Stay in that trade on gold. Our 10-minute time frame. All right, looks good. Stay in that trade. Take it to your exit. Top two exits. It's gonna be BBC and KC. Let's check those. Take those two exits. Let it hit the KC or the VBC. All right. If it hits the KC on this time frame, hey, just get out. It's all good. It's all good. It's trap day. Use your exits. If you break even, you break even on it. If you don't, hey, take your money if you want to. But use these two exits on there on a 10-minute. Use the VBC and use that KC. So let it actually, like, you know, let it breathe, because it can wick. It can come down here, nice little spike, and then wick all the way back up, right back in. So just watch your exit. That's it. You're not risking crazy amount on it, so shouldn't be, at least. So this one's good. Follow your exits on this. All right, 15-minute one. We got a little time on that. So yeah, we got 2 more candles. So it's gonna give you a little scare because it's got developed on the 15-minute as well. So we stacked it. So same deal. We got two more candles. We got about 18 minutes left on this trade. So 18 minutes, we should be way up. We should be up here. We should be close to our TP in 18 minutes. It's supposed to be up here. We should be up here waiting to get a TP, first TP at least. So let it breathe. Let it do what it do. That's all you can do, man. That's all you can do. Wait. The market is meant to make you emotional. Euro USD setting up. Everybody's set up to come back and correct. Come back and hit this equilibrium. Pull back. I woke up to trade trap day today because I probably won't be able to trade as much next couple days. So I'll be waiting. I'm here just patiently waiting. So I figure I get up and trade a little bit today. See what I can get. It's trapped, you know what I mean? So I don't expect much on Mondays. Market makes new highs, new lows. The breakouts happen. The pullbacks happen. Indecisiveness happens. It's not worth the emotions. Not worth the account sometimes. But I like to get up, trade a little bit, trade 2 or 3 pairs. Then I call it a day. I'm going about my business till Tuesday when I get into the real bag. I'm not a breakout trader, so I don't like to stay in the market on Mondays like that. Unless I'm playing gold. I'll play gold. That's all I'm playing. Gold. I'll try to do a little GJ. It looks like it did not split the candle, which is fine still. Which is fine. Remember, guys, you guys can take your money anytime you want when you're trading, especially on trap day. You take money anytime. I just follow my rules. I follow my exits. That's all. Whether win or lose, I follow my rules. I follow my exits. That's how I know my strategy works. All right, so we got a low here. So let's see what they do. We're going to start pushing up a little bit. start pushing up just a little. We got divergence. Nope, we don't have divergence, so we're good. Looks like we're gonna be pretty good on this. This might be a good trade. I'm gonna check it out. We probably won't catch it on this. We might catch it on this call. We might catch it on this call. We might catch it. You might actually catch it. That'll be TP 150 pips, TP2. But that drop, let's see, where is it at? And drop where? That hit there. Rejection. Could hit down here, here. That's some levels. 3 levels of rise, 3 levels of drop. Right now, this is 3 levels. Well, this is first level. Drop. Level 1, pull back. Drop. Level 2, pull back. That's our TP. And then drop. Yeah, it just looks something like this. Level 1 drop. Let's see, let's check it out. That's what it looks like, guys. This level consolidations. Level 1 consolidation, level 1 drop, consolidation, level 2 drop, consolidation, pull up, level 3 drop. So it should look like that, something like that. Something ugly like that. So by that time, we're looking to take that to the TP, and then it could drop. It could drop all at once after that. That's 50 pips. And that drop is about 50 pips as well. So yeah, you got level 1. That drop, level 2, drop, it'll pull back, come down, level 3. And they don't do it all over again. They'll come back out here, come down here, trap the traders, all the way down, come down, create this, trap them, still make that W, pull up, level 1 rise, consolidate, level 2 rise, consolidate, level 3 rise, consolidate, and then redo it again. That's all they're gonna do. Every day they do the same thing. It's just how you catch it. That's it. This is how you catch it. That's why I'm sitting here looking at this, because when we catch it, we're just gonna snag the 50 pips off of it. And then we're gonna be out of there. Be done. Everybody like, oh, GJ's rising. Like, yeah, man, caught that like at 6 in the morning. I'm out of there, homie. I'm out of there. I'm not messing with the markets. It's trap day. Wait till Tuesday when they give me the trend, which the trend is probably gonna be down. They're probably gonna make that trend down. But we just gotta make sure I don't take out these lows. These lows are important. This low is important. That's all. And until we don't see our solidified entry, it's not gonna happen. They threw a nice hammer here though. They threw a nice hammer at 345, so it looks like it's solidified pretty good. This hammer this is important. That price action hammer is important though. We just gotta wait for them to see what they're gonna do. They're gonna consolidate a little bit. I think G is gonna do the same thing. Yeah. So they're just solidifying our entry. That's it. Those are some good pairs to watch right now, though. GA and GJ. Those are some good ones right now. They're setting up real nice. The other ones are just volatile, going crazy. All right, gold. Let's see where we at. 1, 2, 3. We got 11 minutes being profit on this second one. I mean, I honestly can see gold taking off to the upside today. And then I can see it like when I can see Wednesday, it really like I can see it playing right now between 1850 like 1 and 18 like 62, 63 area, like for the next like 48 hours. I can see it definitely trading in that area. But I do see a really good drop to 18 like 37 within like the next couple of days. We got more inflation news. So it could drop and then come back up. I do see it dropping a little bit, but right now it's buying. So I'm playing with the trend. All right, GJ, keep on forming. All right, we look out. We got B. Nope, I don't want that. You always gotta see where the pairs can go. Let's run through them, see what they're doing. I'm not looking to hold anything today. I'm honestly probably gonna trade this session. I might do New York, a little something on New York, and call it. AUD setting up as well. They vector down, trapping some traders. Cat chef looks good. They trapping y'all. Y'all see these traps? Y'all see what they're doing? Let me know. Let me get someone. Let me know if y'all see what they're doing. Y'all see what they're doing? Like they're pushing. Y'all been doing homework. You definitely see this. They going crazy, man. They trapping hard. They're penning these traders. They're really penning them though. They're penning them down there. Getting suckered in. Like this, look at this. CHFJPY is even doing it. That's how you know it's trapped there. That's how you know. CHF and JPY is throwing some information like this. That's crazy. The Dixie's going up, your USD is going down. Easy catch. Consolidation, Euro chef. Keep on flowing. Keep on flowing. Trade with the trend. I don't see anything else crazy yet. I'm just looking at these pairs, see what they're doing. They're gonna throw some pretty good moves on the next like. That's a good one. That's a good one. They trapped hard. They might not come back up here, but they just probably take off. They might not come back up here though. It might not come back up here. Yeah, they might just drop down. They took some contracts up here and dropped. Gotta watch out, man. Hate being trapped. Up, there go Euro USD, breaking that low. Keep on going. All right, we got, what's that, 7 minutes? We got 1, 2, 3, 7.5 minutes on a 15-minute time frame. So we can stay in this trade. After that, it's all about exits after that. It's all about the exit. It's all about trading psychology after that. After you win a trade, it's all about trading psychology. Once you win the trade, on gold, you're good to go. But definitely start knowing your pairs. Play that one pair and call it a day. Keep playing that pair over and over and over. Forming good. It's forming. That's what I'm talking about. Looking good. That's gonna be the move of the day. G's gonna do a little something too. G's gonna do a little something too. Waiting for GUG. They're gonna do the same thing. But this is not a 50 pip move though. It's not gonna produce as much. Not gonna produce as much as GJ is gonna produce. NZD cat. Consolidation. New Zealand Swiss. New Zealand dollar, they're trapping. There they go. They're trapping down there. I didn't even check news yet. They probably got news today. Frank. Yeah. They trapping pretty good. They trapping good. All right, we got 5.5 minutes on gold. There you go. That's how you do it. Hit that trap there, gold be done. For real. Hey, look, I'll be looking like, you guys understand sometimes some of you guys fund it. So 1% on like 1% is a lot. So imagine 5% on your accounts. You know what I mean? 1%, you can be done. Sometimes you be done for the week. Yeah, that's one thing you gotta try to definitely do. Don't get in the habit of trading every single day. Like every single day. I got a few accounts, but I don't trade the same account every day. I definitely don't. I don't trade the account every single day. My norm is 3 days a week. Do my clicking accounts, my buy and sell, the accounts. But majority of the time, I don't try to do every day. If I do like a trade or two. Unless I'm trying to get to the real bag, and I'll go heavy in it. But yeah, don't try to every day, because what you'll do is you'll find yourself trading 9 to 5. And then you try to, you said you were trying to leave 9 to 5, and then here you are trading 9 to 5. That's no good. Are we setting up? Nice. Let's go. I will see what the exotics are doing. Consolidation, got a nice fringe. USD China. Let's mark that up. Let them break that fringe. USD Huff. Let's see. Out of there. USD Mexican peso. Consolidation. Nothing. They all took off. Even the ZAR. ZAR is nice. I like ZAR. US 3030. What you doing? Penning traders down here. Let's see they talking about US 30. Pin them. Boom. Don't trust them. So inverted hammer. Gotta play price action on 30. You gotta be careful on that thing. See where they chop them at. At 2 minutes on 2 minutes, 50 seconds on a 15-minute time frame. Our initial trade. 15 minutes on that. Look at that trap, man. It's gonna drop again. 34,100. 34,100. Let's see what it's looking like. Let's see what you look like 34,100. Oh, look at all that nastiness down there. Oh man. Yeah, that thing coming. All right, we're gonna do a little something on GU. We're gonna do a little something on GU. See it brewing. I see GJ brewing. Here it comes. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I like to see. I knew it was coming. All right. Let's look at GU as well. Let that form. I want GJ to really form. Let's look at GU. GJ got to really form. Let's look at GU though. Let's check these last few trades before we hop off. And then you gotta go all back to sleep. I got some homework to do. Like pack my bags. Pack my hospital bag. I ain't even did that. I gotta, you know what I'm saying? I gotta pack mine too, right? I got, I gotta pack in there. I gotta pack the laptop. They thought I wasn't gonna be trading in the hospital. They crazy. They are insane. I'm not gonna be up in there. Not trading. They're crazy. Nah, I'm joking. All right, let's see. Let Gold do the do. Oh, come on. You would do that, Gold. You would do that. You would do that. You would open up the spreads on us. All right, GU. They would, yeah. They will open the spreads up on us. They try to open those spreads up on you guys. They would open the spreads up on us. They would. Soon as we was looking soon as that 15 minutes in profit, I was gonna tell you I closed the first position and hold this 15. Now they want to close. They want to start opening spreads up. Now they want to open those spreads up. I knew it was gonna happen. They always do that. Open the spreads up, they pull back, make you emotional, and then they take off the same direction. But I mean, 1851 that's a legit like drop from 1856. That's a heavy drop. That's no like that's no yeah, that's no like mistake. That's a move. Where we're at. Let's see. All right, so 135.20 profit. All right, let's go ahead and hit GU now. Let's hit GU now, guys. Let's buy GU now. It's in our area. Let's buy GU now. And yeah. I'll give you parameters in a minute. But I don't want to miss the entry and take off. It's gonna be a 1-to-1. It's gonna be a 1-to-1. We're just gonna make it 1-to-1. We're gonna scalp a time frame, so we're scalping this thing. Entry is now. Stop loss is 134.90. TP 135.50. Oh my gosh. Come on. Don't open the spreads up. That's what trap day does. They open them spreads up on you. Trap day. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it is. It's trapping. They trapping. That's on GU. He said trap day. You're not joking. Trap. They open the spreads quick on them things, man. They open the spreads up. All right, that's GU. All right, let's check out GJ. GJ, yep. All right. We're gonna catch this thing. All right, we'll wait on GJ. Got about 10 minutes on this candle. The next 20 minutes, it should start moving to where it needs to be. They be opening up these spreads, boy. Them spreads be playing no joke. I'm like, you open them spreads up. What they do is they open up the spreads like this. They're so right now it's 5:30. So when they get close to like, so London's already open 3:30. But when they start getting like close to it really moving, being volatile, which is like now, when they end the vectors and they start making these pushes, the spreads go from like this right here. All right, they go from like this right here. So when they like this, they'll be nice and close. All right, and then they when they start like dropping, like when they start like pulling back on you, the spreads open up like that. So it puts like in a negative, a negative state, which that's what the spreads is. So like for example, something like gold be like nice and tight when you get in, looking good, you good profit, and then when they start to pull back, they open up like that, and that's how you start like losing the money. Versus when you're in profit, those still like this in tight profit. But when they start pulling back and they want their money, those open the spreads up on you. That's how they work. It's not, that's why you use risk management. You know, you make more. I mean, they make more when they pull back because it costs them money to make highs and lows. But it's just the way it is. Let's see if we can catch this GJ a little earlier. We're gonna see what's up. All right, guys. I'm gonna take GJ Nizal. All right, we'll check it out. This is our setup on GJ. Entry's gonna be now. All right, entry's gonna be now. We get my thing out. I'll get the parameters now. All right, GJ's gonna be now. All right, we're gonna do the 50 pip move for sure. 50 pip move for sure. So I got spread times 2. So enter now if you want to. I'm entering now. Spread times 2, 6. Boom, looking good there. Hits that low. I know we're gonna be done. 50 pip move. That's the first TP. So we'll go 60, 100. Second move to the correction. All right, this is GJ. Oh, come on, me. No. All right, you guys, GJ. So GJ, we got in pretty good. Got a nice entry on there. You guys should be looking good on that. Looks pretty good so far. We should hit that first TP. So that's 50 pips. Should be pretty good. We got a little early, so we got a little quicker move. That's all. We understand that they can pull up, pull on down. I get that, but we got to know a different move on it, on another time frame to get on to catch this move. We know if it hits that low, it's coming back to the stop loss. That's why our stop loss is out of the reach of the dealer. The low is way down here, so it could pull up, pull down, but we know if it hits this low, that we're out of there. So put the stop loss TP on and let it breathe. Same thing with GU, let it breathe. All right, look pretty good. We should definitely hit close to this up here. We should be up here for sure. 156, 100. It's a good one. 50 pips. But they trapping though. They definitely trapping. make it risk free. Well, not risk free, but let's take some at about the halfway mark to the first TP. They might go to full 50 pips in this next 20 minutes. Jeez, where this thing moving? Good. All right, let that breathe. Boom, looking good. All right, let's go in there. We'll do one more. We'll do one more. We'll look for one more good setup. GU. All right, so GU GJ looks good. Make sure the TP stop losses on there. Let them breathe. They gotta work a little bit. Spreads are opening up. Let's see. We got. I was seeing we can get on the position for the higher time frame, but it looks like we're not going to probably have a chance to, which is all right. Which is okay. It's all right. It's all right. Scalp your money. Scalp it and get out. So this is 1-1. We are going for 30 and risking 30. So going for 30, risking 30. Just a quick scalp on this thing, in and out. I'm looking to be done on this session and then see what New York provides. But I don't want to go crazy on New York because I don't know what these pairs right here, these US 30 100, US 30 and 100, they're gonna just do some crazy nonsense. US 30 is gonna shoot back up. Gold's gonna do a nice little drop, and then they're gonna come back up together. So US 30 will pop up, gold will drop down, and then gold will drop back, go back up. That's all it's gonna do. They're gonna play with everybody today. But if this thing goes like 50, 1850, that's a nice drop from 18 like was it 1856, 1857 area from like A range to like straight 50. That's a nice little drop. That's a nice hit. That's a good pay from 56 or 57 to 50. That's a good pay. But I don't see it dropping like that. I mean, I see it consolidating for a while and then come back up to 64 because this got a long way up there, gold. But hey, it do what it do. It's always right. Mark is always right. US 30, I might not gonna touch it yet. Nice low down here though. If I see something on this, I'll throw it out there if I see it. I'll throw it out there if I see something on 30. I'm just not gonna mess with it now. Not in London session, I'm not. Maybe around 8:30, I'll mess with it. But I won't mess with it right now. Not in London. Not London. Not the time you mess with US 30. I think mess around, just nasty 3-point spike on you. Haven't looked at silver in a little while though. So yeah, France 40. Yeah, same deal. Yeah, nice little counter trend coming. Little something, little spike up. All right. Trap day at its finest. Y'all see it. Y'all already see it. All right, GJ looks pretty good. Started 14 pips, 15 pips in profit. Make 25 like a good checkpoint. Make that a good checkpoint. 25 pips a good checkpoint to start taking some money. But 50 is the goal. 50 is the goal on GJ. So hit that aqua on the 15-minute. And then that should be that's a pretty good payout right there. It's a pretty good payout, 50 pips. And then GU, let that go. It's a 1-to-1, so let that be. Set it and forget it. Keep your stop loss where it's at. Keep your TP where it's at. It's a good 30 pip move. So it looks pretty good. It'll probably come down just a little bit to create this next leg. But we took it at that V bottom though, because it did create a V bottom. So when it created that V bottom, I saw it. Good to go. If it pulls down and creates second leg, that's fine. That's what you want. It continues up. But they push pretty good. They push pretty good. That's all I see though. That's all I see on this. I don't see anything else on trap there. Y'all see anything else? Anything else y'all playing? I mean, indices I'm not messing with, so not right now. I'm not. They're too volatile. If you're taking gold to your stop loss, you're fine. Some y'all do different exits. Everybody has their own nice exit like to take. I get it, but if you take it to your stop loss, you're fine. Not even near it, so nothing to be worried about. Yeah. Keep that stop. If you got stop loss, if you got stop loss, you should have stop loss. But if you take it to stop loss, hey, nothing wrong with it. I mean, take the stop loss. Nothing wrong with taking it to your stop loss. What's there for? Everybody follows their own exits. We all have exits. Master them. You take the ones you like. If you like to take the things to your stop loss, well, that's going to be close to the LC, closer to the LC, the latest. But, you know, follow what you have. Follow your plan. Follow your plan. That's it. So I can say follow your plan, right? This consolidation is trash. But the breakout, though. The breakout coming. The breakout coming. Yeah, make sure you got those stop losses on for sure, though. Don't be trade with no stop loss. Do not trade without stop loss. 100. Should be pretty good on this. GJ, pretty good. Keep your stop loss there as well. Don't move it. Just calculate it. Because if it hits the low, it's going to go lower. That's all. This is what they do. They trap. They'll take it. They'll give you what you want. And then they'll come back and try to take it away. You just got to keep everything in line. Keep it all in line. So we got it pretty early, guys. We got it right here. So you can count 8 candles. Well, if you got TradingView, but 8 candles from the 10-minute time frame. So 8 candles, boom, it's in profit. We got it pretty early though. Down to 15 minutes, giving us what we want. 15 minutes, about to do the same deal. Give us what we want. GU, still good, same deal. GU should be good to go. Caught it pretty early. Just gotta let it be. Let it breathe. Let it breathe. This is where let your trades breathe. All right. This is where you let them breathe. This is where your trading psychology coming. You know what you gotta do. You gotta stop loss. You got the 8 candle rule on the 10 minutes. So if you want to look at it. You got 10-minute or 8 candle rule and a little early, which is nice, quick, nice entry. All right, get your TP stop loss. This is where you let your trades breathe. You gotta let them breathe. If they pull down here and they hit the stop loss, well, you know why? Because they hit this low of the day. If they hit this low of the day, they're creating a new low of the day, which is going to be pretty low. You know what I'm saying? They hit this thing, you're talking about dropping, more of a drop. All right, and then same thing for GJ. They come down here, you talk about more of a drop, like way more of a drop. Hit down here, things dropping all the way down there. We're out of the reach of the dealer, so hey, it's calculated stop loss. You gotta let the wicks happen, you know? Let the wicks happen. But pretty good. Let me check it, make sure we're good. It should be good. Oh yeah, we're good. Plenty room. So don't get emotional. Just let it do what it do. Let it do what it do. They break that low, they're out of there. They're gone. But I'm gonna see y'all probably the next couple hours. I'm probably gonna hop on the New York session. I'll probably hop on. If I do hop on, and be like, let me see something. Yeah, it'll be like 8:30. So if I hop on, be like 8:30. Probably go to like 9:30 the latest. So I'll probably do 8:30. I'll probably hop on 8:30, see what's up with the market. If I see anything good. Other than that, let your trades breathe. Don't babysit them. If you got TradingView, or you can just set it 60. You can set it 60 minutes. Check it in 60 minutes if you want. Just check it in an hour. Set your timer for 60 minutes. Check and see where it's at. See your money, take it, but don't babysit it though. Don't babysit it. You'll drive yourself nuts. Trying to babysit trades. That's like 5 pips in drawdown. But yeah, don't go crazy on trap day. If you see some good setups, hey, take them. Go for it. Follow your rules. All right. I'll see y'all. I think Curtis is on tonight. with live trade analysis. But I'll see you in a couple hours. I'm gonna hop on about 8:30 and see what the market moving. Maybe we'll try to play some NDC games instead. See what NDC is looking like. We'll try to catch that. But y'all have a good morning. Relax. Don't babysit the trades, and I'll see you in a few hours.